Well, it's that time of year again. So be safe, clean your flue or your chimney, whichever you have. It's a nice breeze up here on the roof. I bet y'all can hear it. Hear the hen house and the garden. Further out, I think you can see the beehives. Anyhow, oh yeah, chicken tractor's over there. We just pulled it out for these new birds. Look how dry. Typical of fall. When you do get up to clean your chimney, be sure to check your flashing for areas that need some touch up. Keep the water out. I'm going to show you a trailer I've been working on a little bit. I got this for $230, I think. And it was all this color blue. And I just finished painting it and got some more angle cut for the back corners so I can get some sideboards on it and put this thing into use by hauling home more good garden dirt, really rich soil from work, just where we've dumped brush and trees over the years. I've mentioned it in several other videos, but that's one thing I'm going to do with it, and also going to have to load it up with wood, get it down to the house. There's that rack that I mentioned the other day. Got it all sanded and primered and repainted. So anyhow, get around where the light's a little better. Just wanted to show you that real quick. Let you see how it ends up when I get it done. I want to show you this ragged edge. You can see where I popped the chalk line. And I want to straighten that up. I started cutting and I thought, well, let me grab the camera real quick and just get a quick shot of this ragged edge. I'm not sure what this bed is made out of. It almost makes me think that it's an old shipping container wall. I'm just not sure what it is. It's definitely solid. Okay, back to cutting on this. And it's a beautiful afternoon. Just came back from the sawmill. There, can you see better? Just got back from the sawmill getting boards for my trailer that I've been working on. I want to show you what else I brought home. Look at these beautiful walnut slabs. This was a tree they wanted me to take down at work. I guess I took it down January or February and dropped it off at the sawmill yesterday, and he gave me a holler to tell me that the boards for the trailer were ready, and he had cut this walnut down for me. And now I gotta figure out what to do with it. Looks like a nice, cool bench to me. And you know, I'll share with you whatever it is. So I'm gonna get back to unloading this stuff and head to the house. Hey, well, I told you about the stuff I got yesterday at the sawmill. And I want to show you this slab that my buddy gave me. I just finished running this piece of walnut through my planer and sanding around the edges. This just really comes to life. I'm going to try to do this and hold the camera and let you see what this is going to look like. The denatured alcohol dries so fast. But look at that walnut. That should be very pretty, whatever I decide to do with it. And I don't know what that's going to be yet. Okay, here we are with another day. I'll show you what I've been doing. More work on the trailer to haul firewood. And let me turn this. So, I've got all these boards cut. They're all just sitting in place. Put a stain and protectant on them. That is something I used on our cabin in Crooked Creek. If you've not seen our first video, I would say go take a look at it. And I was real happy with it then. And I just did it for a little protection on this. They're still gonna end up turning gray, but that's getting started. I took this hanger stock and I'll install it over here for boards on the back to slide in and out. So I don't have a long way to go with it. Editing, I realized I didn't make an ending for this, but thanks for hanging around with me. I'm sure I'm going to have other stuff to share as I'm in the shop more, the colder it gets out. And if you think about it, share the video.